So I have political analyst Dr. Avantika Singh with me. Ma'am, could you please tell us about how and why Nitish Kumar became the favorite amongst women? Because that is a major, vote bank that has supported Nitish.
I totally agree with you, and I always believe that this is not 2025 strategy. The seed of it was already sown in 2005 when 50% of the mandate in local election was given as a reservation to the women, and that in 2015 led to almost 4,000 pradhan as a woman. Also, the job opportunity whereby you have almost 30% reservation of women in Bihar is also one factor. Do you know that India, women constables across in India are in numbers, absolute numbers, most in Bihar.
Oh,
In
that's
terms
great.
of Bihar, Pradhan, in terms of Pradhan all over India, it's again Bihar which is leading. Also, UN stamped the best practice, the Bihar case as a best practice where it was able to shrink the 40% margin between the gender gap at the secondary level of education, whereby they gave free bicycle to the student who actually passed the 9th standard.
Yeah.
And then you obviously know about the Jivika Didi scheme and also the Pradhan Mukhyamantri Yojana, which was only inaugurated the last September. And what is important that 2.5 crores of women who did vote at this time, and the first time in 2005 it has outnumbered men, while we also need to know that since 2010 the number in terms of percentage, the vote share of women have been increasing, and this time since 1962. And why I'm saying 1962, because that was the time when this men and women percentage calculation started happening. So maybe before that we do not know, but since 1962, 2025 has actually been a record breaker in terms of women going to the poll station. In terms of absolute number, it has been a record breaker, and to this record there is a narrative and a story which has been building up for last many decades with more records in terms
Yeah.
of how many pradhans do we have, how many
Yeah.
constables do we have, a
So
kind
this
of
shows almost Nitish's whole work
true,
from 2005 to 2025.
true.